In an increasingly technology-oriented world, growth in areas related to science, technology, engineering and mathematics, STEM, outpaces all others. To remain competitive in the global economy, our students of today need to prepare for the careers of tomorrow. And with the world becoming increasingly digital, people need to have the problem-solving skills that STEM subjects teach to troubleshoot technology issues. It is due to such reasons STEM literacy is fast becoming a requirement for life. Considering all this is where BME Pod steps in as an innovative approach to promote STEM education in an entirely new and exciting way. What is BME Pod and how does it work? BME Pod is a converted van that contains a variety of experiments based on technology from the biomedical engineering field. In fact, BME Pod stands for Bioengineering Mobile Exploration Pod. It's a cool, sleek, modern and almost spaceship-styled vehicle that envisions a fascinating identity designed to grab attention. Imagine this. When the pod arrives at a chosen location, a school ground or even a supermarket car park, the pod crew of 3 young people disembark. The back door of the pod opens, revealing a big screen. And the side door slides open, showing a cockpit-like interior. Now, the crew selects a volunteer, who goes inside and is seated in the spaceship-like seat that reclines with a volunteer in it. The crew attaches a headset, VR goggles and other biosensors, and the screens inside the van spring to life. The roof of the van has solar panels, as the pod generates its own energy. And at the back is a small platform with a drone. The seated volunteer, using the headset and brain-computer interfacing, controls the drone off of the roof, and it flies off for a circuit. While one crew member is seated with a volunteer, the others demonstrate smaller handheld tech experiments, hand out information flyers, and answer questions put to them by the crowd outside. Similarly, the pod can visit other locations, performing these and other activities in front of a different mixed audience. Well, the idea behind all this is pretty simple. BME Pod is designed to benefit many people, including school children, the general public, STEM undergraduates, postgraduates, and even expert volunteers. For school children, BME Pod visits schools, school fairs, science festivals, public events. Schools compete, creating projects to run on the pod. They attend a week-long summer school. They test technology, co-create and advise the pod governance committee. For the general public, BME Pod visits science festivals, public events, supermarket car parks and other gatherings. Promotes awareness on STEM. They actively participate and advise the pod governance committee. For STEM undergraduates, a tremendous opportunity to take part in group projects. Their outputs are assessed as part of their degree program. They get training in project management and public speaking as well as their technical outputs. For postgraduates, provide mentoring and governance. They supply ideas on cutting-edge research directions. They co-organise annual summer school. BME Pod offers equal benefits to mentors as well. They can be potential speakers and enablers for funding routes for BME Pod. Isn't that amazing? A strong infrastructure benefiting everyone involved in the process. To transform this idea into reality, a total of £38,000 is required in the first instance, where the ongoing yearly cost from Year 2 is estimated at £10,000 per annum. Therefore, for a 3-year project, the cost is estimated at £58,000. Now, the most important question is, what will funders get in return? The satisfaction in promoting STEM to school children and the public in a fantastically exciting way. Massive exposure of your brand through your logo on BME Pod and literature. Potential to contribute to the content inside the pod. A yearly report on pod-related STEM engagements through multiple feedback and assessment rounds throughout the year. Contributing to STEM literacy ensures that our society will have both informed citizens and a qualified STEM workforce. Oh, and why biomedical engineering? It's simple. Health and well-being is a universally understood and recognised area of application, as well as being appealing across all genders. So, what are you waiting for? Let's each of us play our part. Let's make BME Pod a reality for a better future.